everyone, I'm Marie Life Coach here. I hope you're well. Today I'm going to help you set some SMART goals. Okay, so what are SMART goals? Well, SMART goals are for smart people, obviously. It means that you're going to make it. It means that you're going to get there, okay? So we all set goals. So here is an example of a not so smart goal for a not so smart person. I'm only joking, you're all smart really. So a goal is, I want to lose weight, all right? It's not so smart just to say, I want to lose weight, because how much weight do you want to lose? You could lose 3 stone, but you're not gonna realize or revel in the success because you haven't set a SMART goal. So SMART is where you get specific and measurable with your goal. So if somebody comes to you, if you're already a coach or you're just sat there daydreaming and you're wondering what's next for yourself, what you want to achieve, and it's something like, well, you know, I want to lose weight. You have to give your brain a more specific target than just losing weight, because you can continue to lose weight for the next year. But if your brain doesn't know when to go, woohoo, there's the goal, we're gonna make it, then it will just keep maybe losing weight, or things will get in the way and you know, you just won't make the goal. So you have to make it specific and measurable, and obviously you can set that throughout the year, the next 18 months. So I want to lose, let's say, a stone within 9 months. That's specific, it's measurable, you know, it's realistic, it's timely. You set yourself up here to achieve your goal. The only thing you want to look at then is what can get in my way, and also how motivated are you to actually lose the weight. Questions in coaching that you would ask and that I train people to ask are questions about helping you understand why you want your goal on an emotional level, because it could turn out that your ecology doesn't match up with your goal. So your environment might not match up with helping you achieve your goal. And what do I mean by that? Well, you could have a partner who likes to go out and socialize all the time, is a feeder. We love a feeder. So that might not, you have to weigh up your environment with your goal, because if you don't do an ecology check, an environment check, who's in my environment who can help me or hinder me, then your gorgeous feeder partner is gonna get in the way of your weight loss goal. And no, I don't mean to get rid of them. Okay, they can stay, all right? They just have to be on board with you, and you have to realize that actually you're setting a goal. This person's important to me. I need to talk to them about it so they can support me. I need to make sure that our lifestyle isn't too badly negated at this moment in time, because they mean the world to me, and our lifestyle means that we eat out a lot. So how are you going to get your SMART goal in action if you haven't done a full ecology check? Okay, so I hope this helps, guys. When you're setting goals, your brain needs it to be specific. So if you're a big picture person like me who hates detail, it's not always good, because you can be in a bit of a state of, oh, I'm spinning so many plates, I don't actually know where I'm going anymore, my direction is here, there, everywhere, blah, blah, blah. So have these big pictures, of course, that's ultimately what you're trying to achieve, but do it in bite-sized pieces where it's specific and measurable, and don't forget to include all of those in your environment who can help you or potentially hinder you. All right, guys, take care.